Hello Professor, my name is Manan Chaudhary and now I'll be representing the first assignment, that is a single Hadoop node cluster. Now I'm adding the audio part to it. First I'll be running, or you can say starting, the Hadoop services with the command start all, and here you can see previously I just trimmed the video, so after running it shows the status of all the nodes, the data nodes, name nodes, secondary name nodes, and the node managers and the resource manager. Next, I have got to the part where I will show you the user interface of the web URLs. Now first I'll be running the name node interface. Here you can see the overview of that. Next I'll move on to the data node tabs. Here you can see that one data node is active. Next is just the progress that is shown on the web interface. Next I'll also show you the other ports, that is the other interfaces of Hadoop. Now I'll be showing the port number 8088, that is the yarn services. Sorry, here I just put an S, so removing the S for the secured server will just run the interface. So here you can see the node is active and the yarn services are up. Next I'll be showing another web interface. This interface is for the data node, so it shows the information about our data node. Next I'll be running the job history server with this command map-read daemon start history servers, and then I'll show you the interface for it. It is on the port number 19888. Here you can see the history of tasks that I have run on the cluster. Next I'll be moving on to show the HDFS status and testing the HDFS. This command shows the status of the HDFS. Now I'll be copying a file from local disks to the Hadoop set. Now I'll show you the file that I'll be copying. This is one of the shared folders, so I just created this file. Now I'll be just copying the path of it so that I can use it in my command. Next I'll be using the put command to copy it. Now I will be giving the address from where I have to copy and the file name. And the next parameter would be the address of the Hadoop system. So in the HDFS, where I'll be copying it. So I've copied it in a test folder. I've run the command. Now I'll be using the ls command to just show you that it has been copied there. Yeah, I just trimmed the video very fast there, so I'll just back down a bit. I'm sorry for because I've trimmed it too fast. Here you can see, like here in the bottom you can see that there's a file hello text present in that location test. Next I'll show you the yarn setup. So I'm running a set example of pi from the yarn examples to show you the map reducing functions. I have trimmed the video a bit here, so since it took a time the last time. Now at end you can see that here is the pi value below after running the command, so means the yarn is working successfully and the MapReduce functions for the pi is running perfectly. At end I'll be just stopping the services of the Hadoop using the stop all.sh command, and this will bring us to the end of the presentation. Just waiting on to stopping the name nodes, data nodes, secondary name nodes, and the resource managers and the node manager. Yeah, that's it for the presentation. Thank you, Professor.